It's time for scoring, taking names and keeping score. Let's go where we set up our fonts. All of this is the same. Here we set up our font. I use Free Sans Bold. Works. Just happened to pick that font. It's a system font that's part of PyGame. We set our score for the computer. We set our score for us to 0. That's all we need for this to add for the scoring there. Let's follow on down to our collision, because when we collide, that is when we update our score. Let's see, check collision. Okay, we know about this. Things bounce, right? So if the ball object collides with the rectangle of self.player, we reverse directions. We change our ball speed to going the other way. So we might have been going this way. This reverses it, or no, it reverses you coming in like this, and then we bounce away like that. So we're changing directions. We're changing the X direction, not the Y direction. And then we add a number to this. And it can't collide with both of them at the same time, which is why I'm using an else if. So the computer, if the ball collides with the computer, well, it comes over here, hits the computer, reverses the X direction, and keeps going. So far, so good. All the other bouncing is taken care of by this piece. Well, let's go down to the game loop. We're tracking the score, but we're not printing it. So this is all the stuff we've done before. There it is. So we're going to render the player's score. That means it's ready to be displayed. We put player together with the score, true ball color, True Moon's anti-alias, which allows text to be a little bit smoother because actually pixels are square. And anti-aliasing helps everything be smoother. The color of the ball. And we render the computer score exactly the same way. We block transfer, the score to 30x5y, which is somewhere over here. We do the computer score to the width -150, which starts out about right here. So if I run this, you can see where they are. There's a score. There, computer got one. I better see if I can get one. Bango, I got one. Let's see if the computer can mess up. Oh, nope, the computer, even though it's a pretty dumb AI, it seems to do pretty good. I think it has something to do with the paddle moving up and down so quickly. Uh-oh. Oh, we don't have an endpoint to the game yet. Well, we'll have to fix that in the next tutorial.